The name of this podcast is Eskia Talks. So my idea of wanting to start the podcast was, one, I need to reach the masses. I have been able to secure some very wealthy families, okay? And my business has grown from word of mouth, one to another. But I found there's the majority of Kenyans who are still not too sure about insurance, who don't know where to go, they don't know from whom they can get this information. And I thought, you know what? This is my way to give back. This is me putting myself out here for questions. We brush off insurance, and insurance is not a very easy topic or a very easy job either. Well, I think it's easy. I find it easy, but most people don't. And most people who find that this is what I do now are like, oh, how do you do it? So I'm here to help you. That's the one reason why I've started this podcast, is to engage with you, is to put info out here. So what we're going to do here, we're going to talk about insurance as a whole. Different topics. We're going to demystify insurance. We're going to demystify life insurance. We're going to demystify domestic insurance. The plan is to be able to bring in experts who can come and clarify these issues. You'll find some of the reasons. What I realized is most people who have a bad taste for insurance have had a nasty experience. But the nasty experience was either created because of lack of information or not understanding. So insurance has a lot of jargon. It's almost like law when you're reading those policy documents. And I can be guilty as charged because sometimes I have not read everything. You know, just sign and you give it because it's too much. So I'm here to just simplify insurance for you so that you're out there protected and with all the information that you need. Hey, listen. If you're not listening to me, who are you listening to? You need to listen to me. I hope to help you. So the ideal target audience, I find the average age of my clients has been 38-year-olds. That's been my average age, it's 38. But my clients, my eldest client, who's been with me for 8 years, and I'm very proud, turned 87. He turned 87 last July. This is his 88th year. He's still very sharp. And from him, he's, he introduced me to his sons, his daughters. So I'm also now doing insurance for them. That's the sort of insurance. I want to be your trusted buddy. I want to be the one who starts you off on this journey, and you never know, your children, your children's children,